Hello guys, today I will be constructing a 3D printed lightsaber, which I 3D printed the parts for in the place I work. They have a 3D printer and I was able to use that. And yeah, today I will be customizing the parts I printed and just spray painting them with the colors. I will use this image as a reference. Yeah, and let's get going. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. This was the making of and customizing of the Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber. I am very happy with it. I wanted to keep it simple, so I stuck with a more simple paint job as well. I might detail it more, maybe with some scratches and stuff, but I don't know yet. I really like how it looks at the moment. So again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.